start. Maybe you can jump forward a couple of slides. Let's see.
There you go.
Yeah, next slide. Yeah, so you're going to hear quite a bit of great news from the different committees. Mitsunome-san on the technical working group. We've been working very closely with TSC around topics related to the evolution of Autoware, looking at the roadmap and this transition that we're making from the bus ODD, now focusing on use case driven development of features and bringing that into the core universe framework that has now been kind of introduced into Autoware, and we expect to grow over the coming years. One of the ways that we really are hoping to expand the contributions into Universe particularly is through the Center of Excellence that we've established. And over the past year, we've seen tremendous growth in the number of universities that are participating and engaging in the COE. So if you remember, last year we kind of kicked this off. We had 10 universities. We're now at 25 plus. There's still more universities wanting to join. We've enabled the program with various platforms to develop and test, do R&D, starting from F-110 all the way through the EV autonomous go-kart and autonomous vehicles. The membership base has continued to grow. So you hear Daisuke's update on kind of the financial situation in the membership base, and we're now at 87 members and growing, so very healthy. And our industry alliances are expanding and growing as well, particularly in the area of software-defined vehicle development, where through our relationship with Sophie and the work that we're doing around OpenAD Kit, we're really advancing how to apply autonomous driving technology based on Autoware into next generation vehicles, which are adopting these software-defined vehicle architectures. So net, the Autoware ecosystem is growing, very vibrant, and positioned to deliver the next wave of innovation and advancements through both our members, our university COE network, and our industry alliances that will advance autonomous driving with Autoware. So thank you, everyone. Look forward to continue to drive these initiatives with you over the coming year. With that, let me hand it over to Samit and for the marketing update.
Thank you, CJ. For the marketing side, so I am the chair of the marketing work group, and we come together on a bi-weekly basis, once in every 2 weeks, and one in the kind of EU friendly, and the other one is Japanese standard time friendly. So we have the member attendance in this meeting from both, from all geographies, basically. We recently started a Slack channel now, and all the marketing work group attendees that are joining, I added, and it's already a vibrant place. We are sharing the links, and we are talking there a lot, and it will only grow in time. And to start this off with, I'll talk a little bit about the demos and the promotion work. You know, in 2022, we were still doing ODD-based work at the Autoware, which was the bus ODD. And for that work, we first produced a movie for the Anadolu Isuzu case, which was in Istanbul. And also simultaneously, the same effort was undertaken in Taiwan by the ITRI, the Research Institute. And they also shot their movie, and soon it will land on the AWF's YouTube channel. So check it out. It's really nice to see bus ODD demos are happening in very distant geographies at the same time. And then our demo and promotion work is kind of in a three-legged way now. As CJ mentioned, OpenAD Kit is a growing phenomenon, and we started with a demo in Stuttgart in the Autonomous Vehicle Technology Expo, and then we continued with the IROS 2023 demo in Detroit, and we are also preparing for the CES demo, which will be really comprehensive. And I'd like to report that everything is going quite planned, and hopefully it will be very, very nice. And also we want to do feature demos because we have very vibrant working groups and they have good yielding features on the way. So we will ask working group members to record videos of their feature development, show some demos, so a lot of people would be aware of what's happening in the working groups. And also we are looking to generate a lot of documentation, white papers, so industry would understand how to take Autoware and use it either for their research or for their some kind of commercial solutions as well. Moving forward. Events was a really big part of 2023. On the right-hand side of the window, what you're seeing is our spreadsheet for the events calendar for 2023. We are going to replicate that for 2024 as well. But as you can see, we did quite a lot of event activities. Some of those were Autoware Foundation was there as an entity. Some of them was, just with the marketing collateral, but our member organizations joined some of those events and they were kind of promoting Autoware to their visitors. And these are on the left side, just a very small subset of the events that we have done. And we are excited to go on to 2024 with more events and more awareness coming for Autoware. And the next up is, of course, we back these event activities with a lot of communication activities. We started to do a lot of blog posting on the Autoware blog. And also we are doing a lot of activity in the social media, specifically in LinkedIn, in Twitter, and also we have an Instagram account as well. We recently started a podcast as well. This started as a part of the CES work. That's why we are talking a lot about software-defined vehicles and also about the autonomous racing, the Indy Autonomous Challenge, because those two will be demoed at the CES. But after that is completed, we will also, of course, continue doing the podcast. Maybe we can host members and ask them particular questions. So this could be also a venue for you to, create some awareness for what you are doing with the Autoware. And also we have newsletters now. This is particularly important in my opinion because we have technical steering committee meetings. There are center of excellence monthly meetings, and we are reporting every month right after these meetings. So you can get a very good understanding of what happened in the past month by subscribing and taking a look at these newsletters. But in general, I would urge everyone to follow Autoware Foundation's social media channels and take a look at the website frequently because it's being updated quite a lot. And continuing with the communication activities, we are posting a lot, as I said, on LinkedIn and everything, and the figures are really showing good progress. We are expanding our member base. Make sure to follow and like and repost. That would really help us. Thank you. And finally, within 2023, we upgraded the website. And on the website, you can find everything relevant to the Autoware about COE, all the work groups, all the new members are joining, are landing here. And also we promised that this would be a living website. That's why in 2024, we will also add new pages and we will upgrade some of the existing pages. So make sure you check it out. And if you have questions or suggestions, feel free to reach out to me as well. And also our website was awarded with prestigious awards. And we've just heard today we had another one. So we are on a streak here. So make sure to follow the website as well. And that is wrapping up the marketing activities. Thank you for your attention.